Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize the checkout form fields in Odoo. So to customize the checkout form fields in this platform, you can use the website editor, developer mode, or template customization to add, remove, reorder, or make fields required during checkout. So actually guys, first you will need to enable developer mode. So that's really recommended. So some checkout customizations require the developer loots or tools. So you'll need just to go to the settings here. Okay, and then you will need to scroll down to the developer tools here, and then go with activate developer mode. Right. So all you need to do now is to go with save here. Okay, and then go back to your web shop from here and website, and actually we'll need to go to the checkout page, right? So right here guys, you will need to customize the address fields, right? So the default checkout fields often include the name, the phone number, the email, the company name, subjects, and your question, etc. So you can add the city, the IP code, the country, and you can modify the required fields, labels, field order, visibility, etc. Okay. Also, you can remove the unnecessary fields. So many stores simplify the checkout by removing the company name, the address line 2, the fax, the state and province, the ZIP code if not needed, etc. So to edit it, you will need just to go with edit right here. All right, and then just hover on or click on the checkout fields and edit them as you want from here on the style. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.